Welcome back to West Works at Longbridge West in Birmingham, one of the largest urban regeneration schemes in the UK. Here on the former site of the MG Rover factory, SNRG is powering the next generation of all-electric homes. In partnership with housebuilder St Modwen, SNRG is funding, installing, operating and maintaining a renewable energy smart grid. The SNRG SmartGrid is a private wire microgrid that utilises solar, battery storage and intelligent optimisation. It's a communal energy system that reduces reliance on the wider grid and overcomes local constraints. At Westworks, the smart grid will provide clean, cheaper electricity to residents across 215 EPC A-rated homes. Residents have now moved into the first of those homes, an all-electric apartment block managed by housing association Citizen. Tenants will save at least 15% on their electricity bills and enjoy endless protection against volatile energy prices. Across the site, there will be 189 electric vehicle chargers installed. Unique to SNRG, residents will benefit from low-cost EV charging at their household electricity rate using any charger on the smart grid. As you can see, work is progressing well at Westworks, with the full development set to be completed in 2028. We'll be back at a later date to bring you another update. In the meantime, find out more about SNRG's latest projects at oursynergy.com.